Hi, welcome back to the channel, BKM Tech Reviews. So I hope everybody's all well and all good. In this video today, I've got another pair of open back Bluetooth headphones. So it's a company called Nerity. They reached out to me and asked me to review these open back earbuds. So here they are in the box. This is what they look like in the box. So Nerity open back Bluetooth headphones. What we're going to do, we're going to unbox these earbuds, have a look at them, and I'll tell you what I think of these open back wireless earbuds. Let's just get straight into the video. Okay, here are the Nerity open Bluetooth earphones, wireless earbuds. So they are in the box here. So they are, like I said, an open back earbud. The boxing is just basic boxing here. They are comfort and secure hearing protection, noise reduction for calls, AEC and minimal sound leakage. So we're just gonna unbox them and have a look what you get inside the box. Okay, they're outside the box now. So there you go, this is the case it comes in. So as you can see, it says Nerity on there. That's the only bit of a logo they've got on there. And you've got the USB-C input charging cable there, input, sorry. And then you've got like a little light there as well. So let's just open them up. Okay, going to take them outside of the case to have a look at them. So let's just take them out one by one. Let's get them out of the case. So that's the case there. Nice little case as well. So that's the case that they're coming. Okay, so here are the Nerity earbuds. Okay, very different, open back earbuds. So that's what they look like. So yeah, they do come in black as well. Nerity did reach out to me and sent these out to me, but I'm not getting paid or anything for this, so I can say anything about these. The company Nerity do make other headphones as well, but these are like the Nerity MemPod Fit 2. They've got exceptional sound quality, and they are true wireless headphones, born for ultimate comfort, and the headphones are crafted to eliminate the pain point caused by traditional headsets to cover or plug ears by in-ear buds that squeeze your ear canals. I do like the look of these because obviously when they go in your ear, that bit sits round the back of your ear and you've got the speaker there, and they are really comfortable when you've got them on in your ear. Okay, so here are the Nerity MemPod Fit 2. So that's what they look like when they're on your ears. So that's how they go over your ears like that. So they are, very comfortable. So I do like the fit on these. They do, fit nice, and you can wear them for a long time as well. So that's what they look like when you've got them on your ears. Very comfortable by Nerity. So this is them, the Nerity MemPod Fit 2. They offer exceptional audio quality, so they make it easy to engage in calls and virtual meetings confidently, and they are lightweight and comfortable, and it's allowing you to wear them for really long periods without discomfort. They are really ultra lightweight as well, only weighing in at 99.9 grams. So they're incredibly lightweight and won't cause any pressure on your ears, even for long hours. And they do have a durable finish, robust exterior, so resistant to scratches and everyday wear, keeping your headphones looking new for longer. The large drivers that come with these open back earbuds are powered by an advanced bass enhancement algorithm running on Hi-Fi 4 DSP, so they do create enough bass and spatial sound and powerful volume. When you do have these on, you know, the bass is really good, so the open ear headphone restricted by physical law can reach up to 50 to 60 hertz, while over ear headphone can reach 10 to 20 hertz bass. So the bass, I was quite shocked at what the bass is like on them. So they have got ENC noise suppression, so this is going to be like noise cancellation. So when you've got these out as well, it's going to block out the sounds, or when you're in the gym or when you're going anywhere out and about with these. So it's got ENC dual microphone beaming forming technology. Ambient noise is effectively suppressed, ensuring that people on the other end of the call can hear you clearly and not distracted by your surroundings. I am going to go into the specs regarding battery life. So the battery life on these are really long battery life. So single charge of earphones, 8 hours on a continuous call, and then 10 hours continuous playback. When you do have them in the case, they do charge with the charging case, so it's 36 hours continuous call and 45 hours continuous playback. And they do charge very quickly when you're charging the case, and charge in 2 hours. So I am really impressed with these wireless open ear back headphones. I'd never heard of this company before when they reached out to me, Nerity, but you know, they have been around a bit, and yes, I do think the quality and everything and the comfort of these is really good. You know, I am really impressed with these. Do like the texture of them and the finish. So yeah, they are of a high standard. I do believe they are priced at £99, where you can get these from. I will leave the link below in the description of where you can get these open back earphones from. I do hope you liked the video on these open back wireless earbuds. So if you could leave a like, comment and subscribe to my channel, that would be much appreciated. I hope to see you all soon again on my channel, BKM Tech Reviews. Have a nice day.